Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got an IBM hub in front of me. We're going to try to fix this hub before it cracks all the way. There's all the parts to the IBM. Belt's going to be new. Operational shaft and stuff. It's going in that IBM right there. Hopefully I can save this hub. Let's see. I'm going to try it on camera here and see. So this has 4 cracks. 2 of them are kind of serious. And then I've got these vice grips that I made. I cut the jaws so they grab the teeth here. And I'm going to try to squeeze this back together. So I'm going to stick one of them right here and squeeze this gap shut. Adjust this a little bit and squeeze it shut here. Just like that. And then I'm going to take this other pair of vice grips and squeeze this side shut. And hopefully these other ones don't crack open when I do this. If they don't crack open, we might have success. Okay, got it. And they haven't split, so we're going to try to melt this metal ring right into here and see if we can salvage this hub. So let's turn the torch on here, heat this piece up, hot, hot, hot. So I don't know if we can get this on camera. It's gonna be kind of bright here. So we're gonna heat this thing up. For about a minute, maybe less. And we're going to melt it right into place here. So, let me get this thing heated up here. And sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. In fact, the last one I tried to do on camera, it didn't work. And I have a couple different ways to modify these hubs too, but if you can catch them before they split wide open, this will usually fix it. Haven't had any of these break once I do this. I've done 100 of them like this. So let's get this. Doesn't have to be red hot, but it's got to be pretty hot and pretty even. You can kind of see the heat coming off of this when it's about right, so that's probably enough. Okay, let's flick this down here. Let's see if we can get this to focus. Put that in there, and we're going to push it into place. And melt it right down in there. So the plastic's melting on both sides of this ring. So it's filling up the gaps. And it's looking pretty good. Cool it off here a little bit. Like that. And maybe a little bit of air. Cool it down a little bit. Let's see. Should be able to pop these off. So that's looking pretty good. There's a split there to, as long as these teeth are nice and even, close the gap, it should be alright. I got a new belt here. Put a new belt on here and kind of see how she fits. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think that might work. And the only other thing you have to do with this hub is this collar on the cycle clutch has to be, you have to check this collar and make sure it fits on this inner hub right, this inner ring right there. My fingernails at. This has to be able to fit around that, and see it's tight. It won't fit. It should fit around that. So I'm going to put that in the machine and take off a little material there. And that should work. I'll put it in the machine and try it. Typewriter, good day.